There is nothing quite as stressful as feeling your transmission hesitate and hang between gears like it is confused about what to do next while the engine revs up in between. When the P0896 code shows up, it is a clear warning that your shift time is taking way too long, and the computer has noticed that the delay between gears has exceeded its safety limits. This typically happens because the high-pressure fluid that is supposed to smoothly snap the clutches into place is either leaking away or the pump itself is starting to get tired and weak. Your first move should always be to pull the dipstick and check the condition of your transmission fluid, because if it looks like dark coffee and smells burnt, you might be looking at internal friction material floating around, which is a sign of mechanical trouble. If the fluid level is fine, you need to get a manual pressure gauge and hook it up to the transmission to see if the pump is actually putting out enough muscle to make those shifts happen fast. Sometimes the problem is purely electrical, like a sticky pressure control solenoid, or a faulty sensor giving the computer bad data about how fast the input and output shafts are spinning. You can use your digital volt-ohm meter to test the wiring for any shorts or high resistance that might be slowing down the signals. But if the pressure is low and the pan is full of metal debris, you are likely looking at a mechanical failure that requires a professional teardown. Do not ignore those whining noises or erratic shifts, because a transmission that takes too long to change gears is a transmission that is literally burning itself up from the inside out every time you drive.